Let's look at the question number 2. In each of the questions 1 to 15, choose the option opposite in meaning to the word or phrase in italics. And the question goes, we were shocked by the news that he had lost the money. And the italicized word is shocked. Which of these words is opposite in meaning to the word shocked? Before we do this, we are going to find out the definitions of the various words used in this very question. So the number one word we are looking at is the main word, which is shocked. So what does this shocked mean? So shocked simply means a sudden, upsetting or surprising event or experience. A sudden, upsetting or surprising event or experience. So something that is very surprising, an event that is that's shocked. So you're very surprised. That's the meaning. So what is the meaning of this second word, astonished? What do you understand by the word astonished? So astonished simply means surprised or impressed greatly. So you can see that the word astonished and shocked, they are the same thing, they are the same meaning. So it cannot be the opposite. So astonished simply means surprise or impress. For something to surprise or impress you greatly. That's the meaning of astonished. So two of them are meaning the same thing. Now the other word here is disconcerted. What's the meaning of disconcerted? Disconcerted simply means to make someone feel anxious or uneasy or confused. So it simply means to make one feel uneasy. So maybe similar to shocked too, or to make someone feel confused, or also to make someone feel anxious. All these are the meaning. Then you have the other word, unconcerned. Unconcerned. The word unconcerned simply means lack of worry. You're not worried about something, or lack of interest. You're not interested in something, also unconcerned. Then the other word here is surprised, which means, as I've told you before, shocked. Or you can say astonished. So which can you say is the opposite of shocked? Something shocked you. The thing is so surprising, so upsetting. Astonished is still shocked. Surprised is still shocked. So we see these two words now are the only two that are different. Now we have unconcerned. That means you're not shocked, you don't even have interest. So that makes C the most likely answer. Disconcerted simply means that you feel uneasy. So you're also shocked in a way. So C is actually the answer because you don't feel surprised. There's no interest in it. You're not worried. So unconcerned is the right answer. Please hit the subscribe button and continue following. Thank you.